Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a 90-second keto bread in a mug. For this we will be needing one microwavable mug, coconut flour, egg, whipping cream, baking powder, and butter. We will add 1 tablespoon butter to the mug and put it into the microwave until it melts. Once the butter has melted, we would be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut flour to the mug, 1 tablespoon whipping cream, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 egg, and then give this all a good mix. Once everything is mixed well, we will put this mug into the microwave for 90 seconds. Release the sides with a knife and turn the mug over to remove the bread. The keto bread slices are ready. However, I would like to take this up a notch higher, so I will be frying my bread. I have put some butter into a frying pan and I'm going to let it melt. Now to this I would be adding the bread slices and let them fry evenly on both sides. The bread slices are now ready. To this you can add whatever you like. I'm adding some cream cheese on 2 slices and peanut butter on the other 2 slices. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.